We're installing the Orca solar light. They make it super simple. They have a template that we can stick right onto the surface. And just simply put it on the thing and pull it to the side. There we go. You can turn it on. We're pretty excited about the light. You can charge it by a USB if you don't have enough sun, and it has 4 different modes. In the first mode, it's just always on, but kind of weak until someone goes underneath it. Mode 2 is it's off during the day, but it only goes, people go by it at night and it would turn on. Mode 3, it's off during the day and then it's on for 3 hours at night. And mode 4, it's off during the day and on all night long. So we're pretty excited about it. It has a motion sensor, the remote, and we're really impressed with the way this lights up the area. And you saw how simple it was to install. You can see how stylish the light is. This is just the dim for daylight. We're doing this at dusk, otherwise you wouldn't be able to see it. But just watch when the motion, how much brighter it goes. So if you are looking for a super easy light to install that is multiple modes, dusk to dawn, motion censored, all of the above, this is a fantastic option for you.